Hello everyone, welcome to our tutorial. In this session, we'll be working with organizational unit. Under working with organizational unit, we'll see what is organizational unit, installation before working with organizational unit, which means that there are some installation that need to be done before we work on with organizational unit. And then we will be creating organizational unit, organizing organizational unit, delegation of control wizard, and then we will be seeing how to delete organizational unit, since deleting organizational unit directly isn't possible. So I will show you all some steps to delete organizational unit at the end of this session. First, what is organizational unit? An organizational unit is a container within a Microsoft Active Directory domain which can hold users, groups, and computers. Or it's a subdivision with a Active Directory into which you can place users, groups, computer, and other organizational units. Now we'll see what are the installation done before creating OU. Before creating OU, first of all, we need Windows Server 2012 installed on our system. After installing Windows Server 2012, we need to install Active Directory on our Windows Server, and then we need to create domain. In this session, we have created www.genec.edu.pt as our domain. After creating domain, we can create OU. Now, to go with working with OU, first we will show you all how to create OU, and we will show you how to organize OU and delegation control wizard. First of all, to go with organizational unit, creation of organizational unit, go to Server Manager and go to Tools and select the Active Directory users and computers. Here we can see that www.genec.edu.pt it is a domain that we have created in our server. It is also called as top level container. Here we can see that under this domain we can see many containers and organizational units and users. We can easily identify organizational unit by looking at the icon. Here you can see that domain controller have a unique icon which we can easily identify. Now, to create an organizational unit, right click on the domain controller, select new, and under new you can select organizational unit. Now let's give the organization unit's name as Genec. After giving the OU's name, we can see the checkbox under it which says protect container from accident deletion. Now we'll be showing you all how to organize an OU, since we have created an OU called Genec. And if you want to move some of our stuffs like computers and users to the OU, we can simply go to the users and computers and move the users and computers. First of all, let us move the users. Going on to users and selecting the users which will be falling under Genec OU, and we can simply drag and drop the user. After dragging and dropping, a warning message will be shown saying that whether we want to move or not. We can say yes or no, but in our case we want to move, so we will say yes. If we see the Genec OU, we can see that the users have been moved to the OU. And now let us show you how to move the computers. We can simply do the same thing that we have done for users. we can drag and drop the computer and the same warning message will be shown, and we can say yes. Since OU itself it's a container, as I've already told you all, that it will contain users and computers. Here we can see that computers and users are contained in this container. While organizing an OU, we can create OU within an OU, and we can also directly create users, groups and computers by right-clicking on the OU and clicking on New, and from this new option we can create whatever we want. Here let us create computers and named it as admin, and then click OK. Here we can see that admin computer will be added. Now let us create two OU within an OU, that is GENEC. From the new option we can click on organizational unit, that is OU, and named it as GENEC computers. And click OK. And the other OU that we will be creating is GENEC users. Now we can see that we have created two different OUs within the GENEC OU, and let us move the users to the GENEC users and computers to the GENEC computer, and organize it in such a way that it look perfect. Let us drag the users to the GENEC user, and then same warning message will be shown as we have seen earlier, and we can say yes. And then here we have again two computers, and we can again drag and drop to the GENEC computer, and we can say yes. And if you click on the GENEC computer, we can see that the two computers that we have created earlier will be moved or shown in the GENEC computers, and if we click on the users, we can see that the 4 users that we have earlier moved will be saved on the GENEC users. And through this, after creating two different OU within a GENEC OU and moving the earlier users and computers to the GENEC computer and GENEC user OU, we can see that it is organized in such a way that it looks clean and good. The third thing that we will show you all is Delegation Control Wizard. Delegation Control Wizard, it helps us to assign the specific privilege of other users. If I show you all an example, here I have created an OU called Department. Under the Department OU, I have already moved users from GENEC user OU. Here we will give reset user password authority to a user called Pema. And to do this, right click on the department and select Delegate Control. Delegation of Control Wizard will be shown, and then click Next. And under the user or group, we need to select one or more user or group to whom we want to delegate control. Since we are giving authority to Pema, we need to add the user called Pema, and we have to enter the name. Select Pema and then click OK, and then finally we need to click OK and then click Next. Here since there are many options, we can see here we can also, other than reset user password and force password changing at next logon, we can also do other things like creating, deleting, modifying, managing group policy links, and many more. Since right now we are doing with reset user password, we will check on the reset user password and then click Next and then Finish, and then Now, to see whether the user Pema really got the reset password authority or not, we can go to View. Under the View, go to Advanced Feature and go to Domain Controller, and then click on GENIC. Under GENIC OU, click on Department OU, and then go to Properties. And under Properties, click on Security tab, and then go to Advanced. Here we can see that Pema have got the authority to reset password. And then after seeing this, we can click OK. Finally, as I have told you all in the beginning of this session, that we cannot delete an OU directly, but we need to follow some procedure. So here I will show you all how to delete an OU permanently. But before I show you all how to delete an OU, let us see what will happen if we try to delete an OU directly by right-clicking on the OU. That here let's say we want to delete Department OU, and click directly on Delete. Yes, and then here you will see that you do not have sufficient privileges to delete department, or this object is protected from accidental deletion. Click OK. This shows that that we cannot delete the OU directly. So to delete an OU, we have to go to View tab. Under View tab, we need to check the Advanced feature, and then click on Domain Controller, and then select the OU that we want to delete, and then click on the Properties, and then under the Properties, select Object tab, and then here we will see that Protect Object from Accidental Deletion is being checked. So we need to uncheck this in order to delete the OU, and we need to apply and then click OK. Now let us try to delete the Department OU. Right click on Department OU and click Delete, and then click Yes, and then OU will be deleted permanently.